Many students are facing problem in the video reading section. Why? They don't know how to solve it. So here is your question, your homework. When it comes to the low cost housing, architects are hardly ever dash about 98% of the market is built without architects, and the result is basically rows of clones of the building regardless of whether they are dash for an area or not. Okay, developers alone without the dash of an architect do not see the big picture needed to make housing part of a safe, vibrant. A little more thought could instantly improve community safety as well as lead to dash houses that are both comfortable and cheap. So guys, firstly, let me tell you one thing. Here, rule number one is to understand the situation. Rule number two, before blank and after blank, what is happening? Accordingly, you have to choose your right answer. So here, after two, first form will come. But what will be the first form? So you can see building involved consideration, beneficial, practical input, community relations. So in my previous video, and you know that after two first form of verb will come, but in that case what will happen? So I told you in my previous video as well, sometimes after two the word ending with ing may come according to the situation. So this is the only word ending with ing, and this word is related with the to building houses. Understand the situation. Building houses. This is the collocation. What will be the first one? Here we are talking about when it comes to the low cost housing. Okay. When we are talking about the low cost housing to architects are hardly ever dash about 90% of the market is built without architects. Most of the times we are not going to the architects, we are going to the mistri, and we say we need 4 or 5 rooms or whatever, and accordingly we can proceed. But here we are talking about involvement, ever involvement about 98%. Here we are talking about very hard to involve architects to build houses, 98% approximately. So answer will be involved. Just relate this question with your real life and you will find out your right answer. Okay, regardless of whether they are dash for an area or not, here we are talking about suitable things. Actually, the word related to this situation, concentration no, beneficial no, practical yes. Practically it is possible to build a house in this area or not. That is why. So do not see the big picture needed to make housing part of a safe, vibrant dash. Vibrant dash. What comes here? Sorry, I left with this one. Developers alone without the dash of an architect do not see the big picture. So if the architects not involved to make house, so how we can see the big picture? So that means if you are not getting any information from an architect, so information that relates with input of an architect do not see the big picture needed to make housing part of a safe, vibrant dash. Vibrant what? Vibrant concentration, vibrant beneficial, vibrant community, vibrant relations. Answer will be community, because other three options are not suitable. If you will put here vibrant community, it refers to a group of people living together. So this is the situation, and group of living together, that means a type of community. We will do more question. So here is your question. Just ignore these green lines because our team is finding more and more questions so that you can get good guidance and you can solve good questions with full explanation. So you don't worry about it. So here is your first question for today's video. Just take a look for 2 minutes, then after we will solve. I hope you will solve this question very easily. This question is very small, and you can solve in 2 minutes. So guys, so what will be the right answers? Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time. Obviously, this question is based on the real life. Scientists have warned that if do not make immediate action, the consequences could be dash. So, consequences related to some problems. To be what? To be serious situation, and serious situation reduce means go down. Swear that shows the serious, we have to take some action. Mitigate, sustainable, critical, heighten, ignore, no. Answer will be swear. To combat this, many countries are investing in renewable energy sources and implementing policies to dash carbon emissions. So we need to we need to cut down the carbon emissions. That means to dash, after to what will come? After to first form of verb will come. So reduced, yes, reduce is in the first form of verb, but we need to read all the options first. Mitigate, yes. Sustainable, critical, heighten, ignore. So answer will be to reduce. Check the situation. We reduce means to lowering carbon emissions, which is not healthy for us, which is not good for us. Additionally, public awareness campaigns are aimed at encouraging individuals to adopt more dash lifestyle. So more environment friendly lifestyle. So the word related to this one, mitigate, no. Sustainable, correct. Answer will be sustainable. Critical, no. Heighten, I don't know. Ignore, to ignore something, very easy question. It is clear that a collective effort is needed to dash the impacts of climate change. So after two, first form of verb will come. So first one is gone. We left with only mitigate. Answer is mitigate, and mitigate is, that means to lessening the impacts, the impact of climate change. Effort is needed to mitigate, to understand all the things. Right? This way you can solve. Now moving further. So here is your next question. Take a look for 2 minutes and solve this question. Comment your answer. All good. So, the rapid advancement of technology has transformed many aspects of our lives. For example, the rise of the internet has made information more dash than even before. Okay, so more what? More accessible? Maybe, maybe not. More personal? No. Presenting? No. Embarrass, reject, financial, adapt. See, this question is very easy because this question is related with technology. Just think about it. The rapid advancement of technology. We have advancement in IT, such as mobile phones, tablets, computer. So in that way, all things are accessible. So that is why answer is accessible. Even accessible than even before. When we have no mobile phones, we have no 5G network, and we have no internet, then we have to use letters to send message from one place to another place. But nowadays IT has boomed, and we have mobile phones. We can send message to anyone else over the world, and the receiver can message in just 1 sec. So these are all the facilities that, if we are comparing from now and from before. However, this also means that there is a greater need for cyber security. Obviously, we can see that if everything is on internet, there are so many cyber attacks. Measures to protect dash data. To dash what? Why? We need to protect dash data. Personal, presenting, embarrass, reject, financial, adapt. Answer will be personal. Obviously, personal data. Moreover, the development of artificial intelligence is expected to bring about significant changes in various industries, both opportunities and challenges. It is crucial for society to dash these changes. What will come? So answer will be presenting, embarrass. Embarrass means accepting and adapting to changes. These changes and adapt accordingly. Answer will be to embarrass. So here is our final answer. First is accessible, second is protect, and last one is embarrass.